Good day. How are you? Good stuff. Hi, how are you today? I want to pick your mind a little. Just a little. Don't look so shy, man. I'm the shy one. Do you know what this is?
It's a nutcracker.
What? You grew uptown. Say it again. It is a what?
It's a nutcracker.
Do you know the significance of it? What it really means?
I don't really know what it means.
You don't really
but I
know.
It's a nutcracker.
But you know you crack nuts.
I guess.
What plans do you have for the holidays?
I will be at home with my family.
Oh, you have kids?
No, I don't.
Mommy and daddy?
Yeah.
Brother and sisters?
Yeah, grandma, grandpa, auntie, uncle, cousins. Yeah.
Sound like you're gonna be a big Christmas meal, right? What's your favorite Christmas meal?
Oh my God, my aunt, she
Yeah.
makes the best macaroni and cheese hands down.
Mac and cheese?
Yeah,
But I can just go in the supermarket and grab a mac and cheese.
No. Auntie Diane mac and cheese is different. And her beef, mac and cheese beef, and grandma outside.
Hey, get the
and she
smile on her
does
face when she's
water.
speaking about the beef. Auntie Diane is the boss.
Auntie Diane's
Yeah.
beef, mac and cheese, uncle on outside on the grill,
Yeah.
jerking the chicken.
Yeah.
Grandma outside, she doing the manish water. Slaps.
I'm excited for you. So what do you want for Christmas though?
I want to stop working for a while. I want to be at home. I want to be at peace. That is all I want.
Then if you stop working, how are you going to buy a dress nice like these?
No, I mean,
I love your dress.
Thank you. I need a couple days.
Just want to rest. Anyway, I wish you all the best and hope you get some rest for the holidays. Merry Christmas when it comes, alright? Yeah. Bye bye.